In this guide, we'll see how to find your PC password in Windows 10. Click on the Windows Start menu. In the search bar, type Control Panel and press Enter. Then click on the Control Panel option from the search results. In the Control Panel window, locate and click on the Credential Manager option. This will open a new window with various settings. In the Credential Manager window, you'll see two options, Web Credentials and Windows Credentials. Click on Windows Credentials to proceed. If no passwords are saved, it will indicate no Windows credentials and no certificate-based credentials. If a password is present, you can view a backup or restore it from the section. If a password is saved, you can click on the View Details. You may also have the options to backup or restore the password if needed. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.